Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn why is music not available on your Instagram, and you can do two solutions for that problem. And the first is go to settings, and you need to go to the option of app management, and here you need to pick here an app list, and in app list you need to search the Instagram application Instagram, and after that you need to pick here in storage and cache. So in this part you need to pick only here in clear cache. This is the free option that is like the trash memory of the application. You delete that, you clear cache, and after that you need to go to the permissions of the app, and you need to activate it all that permits. You need to verify of the permission as have activated in the Instagram app, and that's it. You go to the Instagram application and you check if the problem is fixed. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.